Hi James,
Hi.
it is an honor to have you here to test Kinetic in its developmental stages. On behalf of the Design Nerds team, Wei Kat, Wei Shan, Alex and I will be asking you to complete certain tasks within the app. And while doing these tasks, Wei Shan, Wei Kat and Alex will be taking down notes. And I'll be asking you follow-up questions to whenever you do certain tasks within the app.
Okay.
So before we commence, we would just like to reaffirm your consent to record your face, screen and verbal feedback during this session.
Can.
Alright, that's great to hear.
Yep.
So in this session, we will be asking you to interact with our prototype through Adobe XD. So can you help me confirm that's the phone?
This is the phone, yes.
Okay, then that is the kiosk.
Yeah, this is the kiosk, yes.
Alright. Then so the URL is okay, both have been provided. I'll need you to wait for my cue before clicking on anything in the site for both.
Okay, yes.
And more importantly, we would need you to think loud when you click on a button or do a certain action.
Yep.
I think examples would be like, oh, I think I will click here.
Okay.
Oh, that would be a cool animation. Something like that.
Okay.
We just want to visualize what goes through the mind of a user like you.
Yep. Sure.
Alright. So before we go on, let me tell you more about Kinetic
Okay.
and its purpose. Kinetic is our revolutionary and technological change to the way runners, both competitive and non-competitive, conduct their runs. Kinetic consists of two components, the mobile app and the kiosk. The app and the kiosk kind of work in conjunction with each other to provide a more personalized, engaging and seamless experience for runners. So yes, so I think we'll start off with our first scenario for this.
Yep.
We will so the first scenario is actually a mixture of the app and the kiosk. So first we will do a sign up and log in through the phone.
Okay.
So could you take your phone up and
So
maybe
my
show the
phone.
screen? Yeah. Yes.
Then do I X this?
Yeah, press X.
Okay.
Alright, so just how would you looking at this, how would you
Well, I'll definitely press get started. I mean, that's the only button that I see. I think it's also nice that the overall background looks very clean and professional. So okay, let's just click it right away.
yeah.
Okay, first up, okay. So I think it's very clean, very cohesive, I like. So do I just click I just fill up accordingly?
You can just
Log in?
you can press like sign up.
Sign up, okay. Okay, sign up.
Yes.
Oh,
So
okay, cool.
That's it.
I like the icon's very cute.
So yep, now's that.
Yeah.
Now you're at the home page.
Yep.
Can you help me click on the learn button
Learn, okay.
and explore more fitness content available on Kinetic?
Okay, so after I click learn, there's like walk, run, hike, cycle.
Yes.
I think the images are quite cohesive with what the word is trying to display. So I just click on any?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, I'm guessing, okay, let me just click on walk. Let's
Sure.
see. Okay, so learn more, so I learn more about walking. So there's 5-minute walking warm-up and an essential guide to brisk walking. So okay, I'll assume I learn more about the warm-up, yes? Okay. Also, this is a video. Okay, I like that there's a time here. There's a time here, I think it's really good, and I think there's a timestamp.
Right.
So it gives me after watching the video, I know where to go back and then rewatch some parts that I don't know lah. So I think it's very good. Okay, then after this, after I learn about the 5-minute walking warm-up, then what do I do?
So yeah, I think that's for the prototype we have right now. I think
yeah.
what I would like to ask is, throughout this whole process, was it organized and easy to find different steps? Was it intuitive?
I think it's intuitive in the sense that everything is very clearly stated. The interface is also very clean. There's not much distractions for you to miss out, like look upon. It's very straightforward. Yeah, I like the user interface. Yeah.
What else would you like to see in this feature, and how could the design be improved?
What else would I like to see? Okay, let me go back to the previous interface.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. I think if you ask me, I think something that I would like to see, maybe perhaps will have like a standardized interface whereby looking like this. This should also be similar. So it's like a very standardized design. I think that would minimize confusion and be more clear. So yeah, and yeah, I think also another point about graphics wise, I think will be good to use everything, use like the same similar high quality look lah. So I think they'll make the app look more good. Yeah.
Sure. Could you move more into the frame?
Oh yes,
actually?
yes,
kinda-
yes. I will move more into the frame. Yes,
No problem.
yes. Okay.
So now we're done with that.
Yeah.
So the next scenario I would like you to do is to start and track an exercise session.
Okay.
So next, try navigating to the exercise feature
okay,
and
exercise.
start your first exercise session.
Okay. Oh, over here lah.
Yes.
Okay. Let's say walk, run. Okay, now I'll go run. Okay, so in that case, 5 km, right? 5 km, yes. Okay, let me start. Okay. Oh, okay, nice. So I'm running.
Yes.
Yay. Okay, run, then.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Let's say you've completed your run.
Let's say I completed my run. Okay, let me stop it. Okay. Sounds great.
Right.
Uh-huh.
What do you see? You can press done.
Yeah, done. Okay.
Alright, so what do you think about the whole process that you just went through?
Yeah, let me try again.
Sure, no problem.
I think it's okay. I mean, if anything, we will consider showing more data here,
What type of data would you like us to include?
like my pace and the distance, because here is a bit, for me it's a bit hard to gauge lah.
Okay.
Like that's the main things I want to see. Maybe even heart rate, but I thought the phone can track the heart rate lah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's the two main things I want to see. And I think, if anything, I think this title here can be changed to something that is more that have a stronger call to action.
Okay.
For example, like exercise now or something instead of trackable exercise. Because initially when I entered the app, I was kind of enter this interface. I was kind of confused like what I can do.
Right.
So maybe you have a stronger like call to action, then it's a more direct thing lah. Yeah.
Alright. Thanks for the feedback. Actually,
Yeah, no
I think
worries.
that would actually be better.
Yeah.
I agree with your statement.
Yeah.
Were the buttons clear when you were through the running process?
I think in terms of the buttons are great. I like that your exercise here, whenever I click into each so-called interface or whatever, it's highlighted lah. So it gives me a good sense that okay, I'm in the right page. Yeah, you get it? Yeah, so then I press run, then everything is quite clear lah. Yeah, I think that's great. Awesome. Maybe if anything, maybe you want to like add like a confirmation thing before maybe let's say I press this right. Like maybe you can add a confirmation. Are you sure you want to stop this exercise?
Right.
Because later I run misclick, then
I see.
yeah, also not very good lah.
Is this an issue that I assume you've gone through in
Yes. So that's why I use watch now. Yes.
Cool.
Yeah, but I look forward to see what this can do lah. Yeah.
So how about the map
Ah.
and the way it tracks the distance?
I think it's perfectly okay. In general it's quite standard lah. So I think it's okay.
Right.
Yeah, it looks clean and not excessive. So I think that's great.
Alright.
Yeah.
Great. So yeah, now I just need you to go back to the nav bar. So now I'm gonna have you connect to the kiosk via the QR code or NFC.
Okay.
So go back to nav bar on your phone.
Oh, never. Okay.
Navigate to the connect feature.
Connect. Okay.
Alright. So first I would like to ask, was that process intuitive?
Yeah.
Did it make sense?
Yeah. I mean, it's straightforward. The connect name is here. So
Before I told you about connect to the kiosk, what would you think the connect button meant?
connect to something,
Alright.
right?
Were you sure what it meant?
Yeah, I mean, I will show what I meant because you told me the background of the app, right? Is to connect to the kiosk, right? So I assume that connect is connecting to the kiosk, lah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Now, just on the kiosk, help me press on the connect button as well.
Okay.
And then you can see, just help me just pretend to scan the QR code against the QR code.
Oh, okay.
So you can
QR
press.
code, huh?
Yeah. You can press home again. Okay, connect.
Then
And press
here.
press on your phone, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Then this one?
And yeah, by then this would be done.
Oh, okay.
Because it is connected
Get
to your
it.
phone.
Can.
So, what do you think the process was? I understand you had a bit of difficulty.
Oh,
there just now.
no. I think I had difficulty because it wasn't like a camera kind of thing. Like, for example, when I try to connect, right? Or maybe you want to change this to a camera, like you know when you press on your camera app, right? Then it starts to show like you can take pictures kind of thing.
Right.
So maybe if you did that, then that may be better lah. So it kind of more straightforward rather than just put a QR code here because I don't understand what's happening. Yeah, but I think when you execute it in real life, it probably be like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I think
so,
we just wanted to put that on our prototype first,
Yeah.
just to make it more understandable
sounds good. Yeah.
for the meantime.
Yeah.
But yeah, thanks for the feedback.
No
I think
worries.
that's something we'll keep in mind.
Yes.
And besides that, is there the process of scanning?
Oh.
Is there any way you feel like can be improved?
No, I think it's great. I think that's the best you can do now.
Right.
I mean, like, I will do NFC lah. It's easier also.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now,
Mhm.
I think we'll just move back to the app
Sure.
only itself.
Okay.
So we can actually just get rid of the kiosk, but you can just leave it there.
Okay.
So first, maybe could you go back to the home page on your...
Oh, homepage. Yes.
Yeah, great. So now, I would like you to navigate to the exercise feature using the nav bar. And so now we're just trying to join an event. The exercise feature?
Join an event.
Yeah.
Okay. How do I join an event? I just press an
yeah,
event.
give me one moment.
Okay.
Navigate to the exercise feature on using the nav bar.
Yeah.
Alright. Is it exercise?
Yeah, it's like that.
Alright. Sorry, I think there was a typo in the script. Can you
Oh,
press on the
events.
events
Okay,
page? Sorry.
events. No worries.
Can you tell me what are the upcoming events you see on your phone?
National Steps Challenge,
Alright.
Standard Chartered Marathon, Changi Jurassic Adventure, Yellow Ribbon Race.
Right. Okay, great. Everything is consistent.
Yeah.
Now try viewing any event to your preference there and look at the details.
Okay.
Does it work? Okay. The second one didn't work, right?
I'd rather the first one didn't work.
Alright, it's okay.
Yeah. Standard Chartered lor. Yeah. I'm interested in running marathon anyway.
And
Okay.
I would like you to register for this event.
Register. Okay, register. Okay.
Okay, just continue the flow. Yeah.
Then can I share with my friends? No. Okay. Okay, close.
Alright. Okay, was the information, can you help click on the event again, Standard Chartered? Yeah, stay there. Was the information displayed here useful? And was it hard to, how was the process like registering for this event?
Okay, the registration process is smooth. In terms of the information, it's not okay because it's a marathon, right? It doesn't contain the date and time, so I think that may be a bit lacking.
Right.
Right, rather than okay, I mean like it's good that you have like a call to action, like motivate to reach your health and fitness goals. But I would think it would be better if you have the time and location. I think when people register, then it'll be clearer also. Rather than I see this, then I don't know what's happening, then just register.
Right.
Yeah. But in terms of the information presentation, I think it's fine. Yeah.
Good to know. Alright, next I would like you to view the leaderboards on your phone.
View, okay.
So, yes, can you scroll through?
Yeah.
What do you think about the design of the leaderboard? And can you tell me what the badges each user get?
Okay. So badges, users get is Let's Go, Novice, Master, Godlike, Finisher, and yada yada. I think the leaderboard is great. Maybe you can consider adding the distance as well.
The distance, alright.
Yeah.
Okay, anything else you would like us to add in?
Maybe you can differentiate 1, 2, 3 even more. Maybe like gold, silver, bronze color.
So like a ranking.
Like make it more obvious or.
Right.
Then maybe the 1, 2, 3 also make it like more stand out. Make it stand out more.
Right.
Yeah.
Would you want us to do it like a filtering? They can filter by.
Filter works. Yeah, filter works.
Right.
But in general, I'm just saying like, let's say when I see this 1, 2, 3, like if I want to be on the leaderboard, I want it to have some sense of differentiation. Like, if I go this and I can like look so nice on the leaderboard.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for that feedback.
No
regarding the
problem.
leaderboards. So now I would like you to update your personal information.
Okay.
So just which button would you go to?
I'll go profile.
Alright.
Personal information, right? Profile. Then I'll click on personal information.
Right.
Then I just edit accordingly.
Right. So yeah,
So
just
save changes. Oh, okay, updated.
right. So what was the whole process like for you?
Very straightforward. I think, yeah, it's straightforward. I have no comment. I think it's good, smooth, and easy to use.
Right. So would you say that you know the process for this just because you have experience with other apps?
Yeah. I mean, like when you say personal information, then I see you have a profile function, so I'll link it automatically already, right? Or like, rather my first sense of direction would just to be press on profile and check out if that function is there.
Would you say that an average person in today's society would be
Oh.
able to
Yes.
intuitively get?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Good to know. As in terms of the flow, the animation, the design.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Right.
I mean, it's straightforward lah. Like personal
Definitely.
information, private
I
profile.
think that was what
yeah.
we were going for. So.
Yeah, good job lah. Good job. Mm-hmm.
Alright. Okay, now for your final scenario
Okay.
for the mobile app,
Yes.
we would like you to navigate back to your account profile
Okay.
and try connecting to your smartwatch device.
So connect
Back to your profile, please.
profile. Okay. Or help
Mm.
devices.
Right.
Okay.
So, alright. Just help me press connect on one of them.
Connect. Okay.
Alright. So, what do you think that whole process was like? Was the design intuitive? And yeah, just comment on that.
Yeah, the design is intuitive. I don't have much comment also. I think it's similar to profile and the personal information scenario. It's straightforward lah. Yeah.
Would you say there's any confliction between having the connect feature then having the watch feature down there?
Meaning?
So, do you think like smartwatch users would be confused as to where they can connect if we don't put it in the main connect? The middle?
Good question. I think I would confuse initially,
Okay.
right? But after I maybe play around with it a bit,
Right,
then
right.
I'll figure it out lah. I mean if there's that concern, I would suggest maybe when they go in the app, then you have like a guide that says or connect. What is this for?
Okay.
Right? Like what the connect button is specifically for?
Right.
To reduce the confusion lah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's something we can take into consideration as well.
Yeah.
So, yes, that is it
Oh,
for
okay.
the usability testing.
Sounds good.
Yes, I hope you enjoyed the process so far.
Look forward to the kiosk coming into real life.
Definitely.
Yeah.
But before we end the interview, I would like to open the floor to any open-ended feedback that you might have.
No, I think I gave the whatever feedback I had to just now already. Thanks
Right.
for the questions
No
to
problem.
Rowan. Yeah.
I think more specifically, I want to narrow down as you have had experience being a student athlete before, right?
I not a student athlete. Okay, yes.
Yeah, you participated in competitions before.
No, I actually haven't. Oh no, external, yes. Yes, okay, yes.
And you were a student at the
Yes,
same
I'm
time.
just being humble, yes.
So yeah, as someone within that
Uh-huh.
user group, would you think that this app would be useful for you?
I think it's a very fun and engaging experience.
Right.
Whereby maybe if I go on my easy runs, I would use my phone to interact with the kiosk to see what's up lah with my friends. But if you ask me if I'm doing like competitive training,
Yes.
when I'm doing my long runs and everything, I probably won't interact with it because I'm just too tired.
Alright.
Yeah, but I'm guessing that your target group isn't like for it's more for leisure, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so I think that's perfectly fine. Yeah, so that's why I'm looking forward to see how it turns out lah.
Yeah, and finally, I think I would just like to ask again, what type of content would you like to see, and what type of content would you like to see removed from the app and the kiosk?
What type of content I would like to see here?
Yeah.
What type of content do we have here?
So you can scroll through.
I'll go through okay.
So just the leaderboards,
Leaderboard.
homepage, and this is
okay,
you can
okay.
check the history of the page.
Maybe right. Okay, so you have the route here lah, right?
Yeah.
So maybe I think something you can consider, right, is instead of just badges, you can do points whereby each kiosk they clear, right, they get additional points.
Right.
Right. Then it gives them more incentive to go and go through each kiosk to get more points. That would be something interesting to see. In terms of things I want to remove, I think everything here is essential. It's a very good, nice minimalistic design, and I think that point function, if you add it in, I think it would possibly be better. Yeah, I think otherwise nothing much. I think quite okay.
Then for the app,
For the app, no, I think it's okay actually. It's other than I think you should add more information about like the event here. Maybe like they have like a view, like you put the essential information here. Then if they want to see more, then it links them to the actual website. That is another function that you can add. Otherwise, I don't think so. I think it's okay. It's a very good and nice, simple app to use.
Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you, James.
No problem.
For taking the time out of your busy days
No problem.
to
no
help
worry.
us improve the Kinetic app, and we appreciate the time that you've given us and
No
the
problem.
feedback that you've given us.
Now I'll go and run.
Alright. Thank you so much.
No problem. No. Bye bye.